Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am Miss Abda Nihal. I welcome you in science class. Today we will start our new chapter number 2, cell division. Learning outcomes of this chapter is differentiate between mitosis and meiosis, identify DNA and chromosomes in the cell diagram, define heredity and recognize its importance in transferring of characteristics from parents to offsprings. Compare characteristics related to ear and eyes color. Today our topic is cell division and types of cell division. Dear students, before starting the topic, I would like to tell you that all living things are made up of cells. More and more cells are needed for growth and development of living organisms. Now the question is that where do new cells come from? The answer to the question is that the new cells are produced by the division of pre-existing cells. What is cell division? Cell division is a process by which a cell divides into two daughter cells. Dear students, all of you should keep in mind that the cell which divides is called parent cell or mother cell. The cells which are produced as a result of cell division are called daughter cells. Before cell division, the parent cell which is in resting phase passes through a phase called interphase. During interphase, the chromosomes inside the nucleus are duplicated. That means copies of all the chromosomes are developed. Dear students, I think that all of you should know about some important points before discussing the types of cell division. Nucleus is a type of the cell which controls the activities of the whole cell. Chromosomes are found in nucleus of cell which are made up of DNA and proteins. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is the material that contains complete set of instructions for developing a new cell or an organism. For one kind of organisms, the number of chromosomes in the cells remains the same. However, when gametes are formed, sperms or eggs in animals, or spores in plants, the number of chromosomes is reduced to half in the gametes or spores. The process of cell division involves two phases. Nuclear division means division of nucleus into two nuclei. Cytokinesis is the division of cytoplasm. Okay, now we will discuss the types of cell division. Cell division is of two types, mitosis and meiosis. Now we will discuss mitosis. Mitosis is a process by which the parent cell divides into two daughter cells with the same number of chromosomes as in the parent cell. As you can see in the diagram, dears, the number of chromosomes is doubled during interphase. Two sets of chromosomes are formed. During mitosis, when the nucleus of parent cell divides, the two sets of chromosomes are distributed equally in the two daughter nuclei. After nuclear division, a shallow groove arises in the middle of the cytoplasm, which deepens further and divides the cell into two daughter cells, each having a nucleus. Now we will discuss meiosis. Meiosis is a process by which the nucleus of a cell divides twice to form four daughter cells in such a way that the number of chromosomes in each daughter cell is reduced to half as compared to the parent cell. The process of meiosis consists of two divisions: meiotic 1 division, number 2, meiotic 2 division. Meiotic 1 division. During this division, the number of chromosomes is reduced to half as compared to the parent cell. My dear, You should keep this point in mind that here the number of chromosomes is reduced to half. But during mitosis, the number of chromosomes are the same in the daughter cells. Number 2, meiotic II division. It is similar to mitosis because the half number of chromosomes is retained in the 4 daughter cells. During meiotic II division, these 2 daughter cells that are formed during meiotic I division, these further divided by the process of mitosis, and these daughter cells have the same number of chromosomes as in the parent cell. Okay dears, now you can do these short questions as a homework on your notebooks. Define the following: cell division, parent cell, daughter cell, interphase, nuclear division, cytokinesis. Question number 2. Describe any 3 differences between mitosis and meiosis. Thank you.